In this video, I would like to show you the best accounting software for your small business in 2021. So in this video, I'm going to show you the inside of the platform that I think is the best accounting software for your small business. So if you're interested in that, keep watching the video and let's get into it right away. Alright, so the software that I want to show you in today's video is called FreshBooks. So FreshBooks is an accounting software built for owners and their clients, as you can clearly see on their homepage. Now, before I get into pricing and who it's for, I want to show you that they do have a free trial available. So if you're not sure if you want to go with this, make sure you go ahead and sign up for the free trial. No credit card required. And by the way, guys, I'm not getting paid to say this, and I also don't have any affiliate links in the description. I just think this is a great platform. So before I show you exactly how this works and how you can use it, I want to show you the pricing. So if we go to pricing over there, I'll show you what you'll get for your money. So they've got 4 plans available. So we've got Light, Plus, Premium, and a Select one. So let's say that you've got over 500 billable clients. I mean, that's not a small business, but let's say you do have that, you can get a custom pricing plan. However, for your small business, you can go with Light, Plus, or Premium. Premium is actually not for small business, I would say, because it has like up to 500 billable clients. So for a small business, I would go with Light or Plus. I would probably go with Plus because chances are you've got more than 5 billable clients. So yeah, I would go with Plus. You can also try that for free, and it comes with all of these features. So you've got automatic track. You can automatically track expenses, send unlimited estimates and proposals, get paid with credit cards and bank transfers. So all of this stuff comes with great features. But enough about that, guys. Let's get into the actual platform. So this is what the actual platform looks like. So we've got a simple dashboard where we can create new invoices and more. So if I click right there, you'll see that you can create a new client. You can create a new retainer. So let's say that you have a social media marketing agency and you're working with retainers. That's a great option because you can do automatic payments with that specific client, which is great. That's one of the best features that you can get if you run a business like that. You've got invoices, recurring templates, other incomes, expenses, estimates, credit, bill, and vendors. So you can create any of these options by simply clicking right there on new. You can also invite team members to this specific accounting platform, so that let's say your employee will do invoices, right? You're the CEO, you're not going to do the invoices, you don't have time to send them out. What you can do is simply add one of your employees and they can then do that. You can even add contractors, managers, full admins, and your accountant to this specific platform, which is a great feature as well. Apart from that, it's really easy to use. So let's say that you want to add a new client, you can click right there, or you can use the menu on the left hand side to create new clients. So what you can do is simply click new client in the top right corner, and you can then go ahead and create your new client here. So all you need to do for that is simply fill in their first name, last name, company name, email, and their address, and then you can click on save. I'm not going to do that as of right now because I already have 2 random clients in here. This is not my actual account. But it's pretty simple, pretty easy to use. So all you need to do is simply click on new client, and that's how it works with all of these options. So you can also do it like that with invoices, payments, expenses, estimates, all of it. So simply click on the option that you would like to use, and then you can click on create new or create whatever that is, right? Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now the dashboard is what you can use to pretty much get an overview of what's going on in your business. So right here, you can see how much money is outstanding. So I've got 1,200 euros outstanding, 0 of which is overdue. Now let's say that it's overdue, you'll see that and you'll get a notification, which makes it very easy to chase that client to actually pay. You can also view invoices by clicking right here, so you can see exactly which clients still need to pay. You can see the status, so you can see it's sent. If that person pays it, it probably changes to pay right away, which is also very cool. Now let's get into the reporting and the accounting part, because all of this is pretty simple. I'm pretty sure that you guys understand how it works. You just click on it and you can create it. Really easy. But if you go to reports, you can see it gets a little bit more complicated. So if I just get rid of that, you can click right there. So easy access to your favorite reports. Now, because this is a test account, a free trial account that I just set up, there won't be any reporting yet because there aren't any expenses, any invoices paid and all of that. But if that's the case, then it will show up right there. Now on here, you can also see your invoice and expense reports. So if I click right there, there's probably not that much that's going to show up. I'm going to see all of my invoices, which are 2 as of right now. If you have more though, you can see all of them on here. You can filter it, so you can do it on issue date or paid date, which is cool. You can even filter on a specific client, click apply, and you'll then see all of the invoices sent to that specific client, which is also pretty cool. And that's how you can use that with all of the different expenses or invoices or even payments or even accounting. So all of this is pretty simple. You click on it and you can get a great overview of what's going on in your business. They even have a cash flow report, which is awesome because cash flow is the most important in your business, of course. Now, if you click on accounting right there, you can also set this up. So if you click continue, and let's go, you can go ahead and get started with accounting. So give your accountant access to the data and reports they need. So if you have an accountant, you can click invite. So I personally do have an accountant. So what I do on my main account is simply add my accountant on here, and he can then see everything that's going on in my business in terms of invoicing, payments, expenses, all of it, which is great. So if I scroll down even further, once again, you also see all of the accounting reports. So you can see your balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, general ledger, all of it. It's pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's in my opinion the best accounting software for your small business. If this video helps you out, leave a like on the video, or if you have any questions, simply leave a comment down below and I'll try and help you out. Have a good day.